Hi there, I'm Maui or Sushmita. I'm a developer at Gaia. So, what is Gaia? Gaia is a decentralized computing infrastructure that lets everyone to create, deploy, or scale your own agent, reflecting your own style, knowledge, or your like domain of expertise. So Gaia also has like OpenAI compatible API, so you can just swap out your OpenAI keys, like literally just swapping the keys. So yeah, I'm gonna talk about how you can use Gaia in your application in two ways. So let's get into that. The first way is getting your API key. So you can head over to docs.gaia.ai and get your API key. So we're gonna head over here. So we're gonna launch the app, and yeah, I'm gonna connect my wallet. So yes, oh, whatever. And I'm gonna go into settings and then Gaia API keys. So when you're creating and connecting your wallet, so you can ask for developer free trial, and we're gonna give you like 50,000 API credits free trial, which you can use. You can create API key, create the name, and just go ahead and create. That's literally it. So when you use the API key, you will need to use one of our public domain for the URL. So public Gaia domain for the URL. So how you can use it? So you can go into the application and like for the Gaia API endpoint, and like you can just add your like API key over here. So that is like one way of using Gaia into the application. Now let's talk about the second way, how you can use Gaia. So for the second way, you can run your own AI node in your computer. So you can set up your own node. So there are some prerequisites which you'll have to follow to set up your own node. So I'm gonna run my own node. I'm gonna use this curl command, which will ultimately install my Gaia CLI tool. So I'm gonna wait a little bit. So it's done installing. So now I have to run this source as like to let the AI node know where is the node. So this is it. Now I'm gonna run this llama 3 grok model. So this is the command I'm gonna use. After this, I'll show you where you can run your own customized node. So now just Gaia start. Oh, this is already in use. Oh, I'm already running a node. So let me stop that. I guess I'll have to Gaia start again. And we're gonna wait. Well, now here is the link. I can like go over here and just chat with my node. So yeah, I can just go over here and just have a talk with my node, like literally. So yeah, but we need to use the API. So when you run your own node, you'll get this API based URL which you can copy and just put it in your application, which I am just doing over here. And when you run your own node, you don't need the API key at all. You can just go ahead and use that within this because you're already running your own node and it's already running. So yeah, how does it look like? So this is like one of the application that I'm just running and using like Gaia into this. Let's take a look at this front end over here. So let me just refresh this. So yeah, I'm just collecting my wallet and talk about hello, and I'm gonna get response from the AI which I'm running on my local computer. So yeah, as you may have noticed, I'm running this specific let's see, LLM. So you can also pick which LLM you want to run. You can just head over here. I will share the link of this and pick your own model, whichever you want to run. So let's see. Let's say I want to run this one. I'll go into this and just run this command. This is super simple to get started with. So yeah, so that's mostly it. And like there are just two ways to use Gaia into your application. One is by getting your own API key, and another way is just running your own node into your computer. So yeah, that's mostly it. Thank you so much for watching.